Hi friends, it's Gina from the AI Genealogy Lab. Let's talk about AI photo restoration and why genealogists need to be careful with it. Tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Google's new Nano Banana don't actually restore old photos. They rebuild them. When you upload a portrait and ask for repairs, the AI doesn't fix scratches pixel by pixel. It generates a brand new face based on patterns it learned from millions of images. That means details like skin tone, eye color, clothing, expression, and even facial structure can get quietly replaced, and the result can look amazing, but it may no longer be your ancestor. Let me show you an example. All I asked the AI to do was fill in the damaged areas of this tintype. Instead, it produced a completely new, pristine portrait. Beautiful, yes, but totally invented. And not true to my ancestor. So this is the key takeaway. Generative AI always generates. Even tiny edits can turn into big changes. So here's the simple rule in genealogy. Label AI images, cite the original photo, and treat AI restorations as illustrations, not evidence. AI is powerful, but our real family history deserves careful handling.